Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how to access your PBX portal. Please go to Vodalink's website at www.vodalink.ca. Then go to the business section. In the top right hand corner, click the login button. You will be redirected to the main PBX portal website. Enter your login and password information provided by Vodalink. If you don't have these credentials, please call Vodalink customer service. Right now you are on the main page of PBX portal. In order to set up correctly your PBX, please follow the instructions provided in this tutorial. Okay, so let's start to configure our PBX system. The very first step, go to User or Company and select the tab Branches. This tab represents the geographical position of the company. Then select Default and change the name. In my case, it will be Carpet. In parentheses, I will put Montreal, which is mean Carpet, the name of the company, and Montreal, the physical location of my office. The branch prefix. This option is used to call people internally in the company and can be filled with any number. I will show you later how to use this option, but for now let's choose number 10. After you're done, don't forget to save. Then click on Company Structure tab. This tab represents the position in the company. It can be created based on departments, room number, floor, etc. As mentioned before, company structure and branch will match newly created PBX users with their position in the company, for example, sales department, shipping department, and other. Press the New button to add a new group. Then add all the needed groups. In our case, we have 4 positions. We have sales department, customer care, shipping, and other. Then go to the User Editor tab. This module will create PBX users. The users will have the same prefix, but will be treated as separate accounts ready to use. It can also change data on existing account and apply filters. A PBX user must be created for each extension you wish to have in the company. In our case, we have sales, customer care, shipping, and other. To do that, scroll down and press New button. Insert all the necessary information for each of the following tabs. For the general, insert the name and the last name of the person responsible of the extension. In my case, I will only put first name user1, last name user2. For the credentials, we will create the username and password. We will use this information later on. Then we need to indicate the branch in which the user is working and also his department. And don't forget to save. Repeat the same steps in order to create 4 other users. Don't forget that we have 2 users that should work in sales department. So after I'm done entering users, I should have something like that. So I have a table with 5 users inside. Once all the PBX users have been created, now go to the Auto Attendance tab. In the Virtual Number Type Span section, there is a weekly calendar from Sunday to Saturday. But before making any changes, let's record or upload the greetings for the voicemail. Select the Greetings tab and record your message. Also, you can upload your message by pressing this button. In our case, let's only record the greeting message. Rename the file name. Let's rename the file for voicemail 1 and press the record button. Once you're done with the recording, press the stop button. It will save automatically in the list. Now you are ready to set up your voicemail machine. Go back to the Virtual Numbers Timespans tab and assign the greeting to the proper destination. On the voicemail route type that has been chosen for Sunday, choose Voicemail from the drop-down menu. Then indicate the greeting that you wanna assign to this voicemail. Repeat those steps for Saturday also. And don't forget to save. Okay, right now, let's say that our company is open from 8 AM until 5 PM, and we want to answer calls only during business hours. In order to do that, you must use the drag and drop feature. After choosing the right time span for your business hours, you need to fill up the empty spaces with the voicemail. Of course, you can choose another option on the drop-down menu. After you're done, you should have something similar like that. And the most important, don't forget to save. Now it's time to set up the scenarios. We need scenarios to redirect our calls to the right department and then to the right person. To have better understanding, please watch our first video tutorial where we discuss the structure of our company. If you remember well, in our case, we have 5 employees and 4 departments. We have sales department, customer care department, shipping department, and other. Okay, so let's start. The first step, go to the auto attendance. Then click on the new button. Then enter the name of the scenario. In our case, let's call welcome. Don't forget to save. Right now, we need to record a new greeting for the welcome scenario. So let's record a greeting, and after I will explain why we need that greeting. The greeting that I will record sounds like that. Welcome to my company. For sales, please press 1. For customer care, please press 2. For shipping department, please press 3. For other inquiries, please press 4. Once the greeting are uploaded or recorded, go back to the Auto Attendance tab. Select the created scenario Welcome and add the necessary greeting. After you're done, don't forget to save. Now click the Dialed Input Mapping. Once the caller passes through the welcome message, he needs to choose the right option to get to the right department. Press the new button. Under the first option we have Sales Department. If you remember well, we have 2 users or 2 employees taking care of the Sales Department. In that case, when the person dials number 1, the call will be redirected to the Sales Department and will ring for both users. The first who answers will get the call. But before that, we need to create a hunt group. Go to the hunt group. Press the new button. Name it Sales. Select the new member tab. Click on the new button. From the drop-down menu, select User 1. Repeat the same steps for User 2. Once you're done, go back to the auto attendance. Select the scenario Welcome. One more time, select the Dialed Input Map and click on the new button. Under first option from the drop-down menu, select Hunt Group and specify from the drop-down menu the Hunt Group name. Then click again on the new button to add other options. Under number 2, please select from the drop-down menu Extensions. In our case, we need to create extensions in order to continue. Remember that we still have customer care department, shipping department, and other inquiries in department that are not assigned to any users or employee. Before going further, please save all the changes that you made. In order to create extensions, please go to the dialing plan. Scroll down and press the New button. Under Extension field, write number 3. You can choose any number. In our case, let's choose number 3. Assign it to the user 3. From the drop-down menu, we will use user 3 for customer care department. Do the same for user 4, which is shipping department, and user 5, which is other. Once you're done, go back to the auto attendance. Select the welcome scenario. Go to the dialed input mapping. Press the New button. Under option number 2, select extension from the drop-down menu and indicate to which extension exactly you want to assign. Repeat the same steps for option 2, 3 and 4. And the most important, don't forget to save. We have few steps to accomplish in order to finish our PBX setup. Select again Welcome Scenario. Open two tabs at the same time, Invalid Input Action and Ending Action when the retry counter has been reached. Select Repeat Last Scenario. This option is used, for example, if a caller dial a wrong number, it will repeat the scenario again. Retry counter, let's choose 3. This option will allow to enter a wrong composition 3 times. After what, it will disconnect if I choose disconnect option.